The message on these signs, simple but powerful. Hate has no home here. These signs are popping up across Hoover. This is not a group that's organizing this. This is simply residents who want to send a positive message. It all started as a discussion on a neighborhood Facebook group, and now it's blossomed to about 200 signs, and there are requests for more. Shannon Steins, she's a Hoover resident and business owner. She is ordering these signs, but there are residents across the city who are hopping on board.
I thought it was a really great opportunity to not be silent during everything that's going on in our community and our country at large.
I would like to challenge every single home and every single neighborhood in Hoover to purchase these signs and get them in your yard.
Now, if you're interested in one of these signs for your yard, you can pick those up at Wild Rose Coffee Shop in Bluff Park.